Hello, welcome to lesson 2. This time we are going to learn how to remove a common factor when given exponents. But let's start with the typical one we are used to, linear stuff. 2xy plus 5x squared minus 4x to the 3. I need you to look at the three terms that are here. So we have term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. What's common there? What appears in all three terms? Well done. It is the x. So we're going to remove the common factor of x. When we remove x, now let's go on. What's left if we remove the x? It's going to be 2y plus what's left? Here we have 5 and 2 of this x. So if we remove 1, we're going to be left with 5 and 1x. Minus, here we have 4 and 3 of this x. So if we remove 1, we're going to be left with 2 of them. That's how you remove the common factor. But what if you were given a fraction? Not a fraction, sorry, an exponent. Let's say 2 to the x plus 2 to the x plus 3. Okay, we can see here we have two terms, 1, 2. What's common there? It's 2 to the power x. But how do we remove the common factor there? I will advise you to first simplify this one. Split it. So we're going to have 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Remember the laws of exponents, they say if you are multiplying two numbers with the same base or of the same base, you keep the base and add the exponents. So now I have that, I'm just reversing it to that. Okay, so 2 to the power x plus 3 can be written as 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3. You are allowed to do that. Now the common factor is clear. We can remove it. So we have 2 to the power x into, now 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power x is going to be 1 plus, when we divide 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3 divided by the 2 to the power x there, we're going to be left with only 2 to the power 3. Okay, so that's how we remove the common factor. If you wish, you can simplify it further and say 1 plus 8 and then 2 to the x multiplied by 9. That's all right. You can leave it there or say 9 multiplied by 2 to the power x. That's how you remove a common factor when given exponents. We're going to need this and also lesson 1, the stuff we learned in lesson 1 when we deal with the stuff in lesson 3. So please make sure to catch lesson 1 and lesson 2, and then I'll see you in lesson 3. Enjoy.